How to use American Express gift card to buy storage. American Express gift cards are prepaid payment cards that can make a great gift or reward. To use an American Express gift card to buy storage, follow these steps. Confirm the card has enough funds for the storage fee. Add your billing address on the Amex gift card website. Enter the card details in the payment section of your storage provider, example, iCloud, Google Drive, OneDrive. If recurring billing isn't supported, use the gift card for prepaid subscription options. Purchase a gift card for the storage service, example, iTunes or Google Play, and redeem it. American Express gift cards for friends and family make great gifts for holidays, birthdays, and more. Thanks for watching.